Your pila na ka months, less than a year,
10 months.
and your 10 months, exact, and your first Christmas party as one team. Congratulations, Larawan Realty Groups, especially to your head broker, Doc Glenda, and the co-founders, Miss Wang and Miss Teray. This deserves a big round of applause from me. I was invited here tonight to give, and was given the task to give an inspirational message in this celebration, and I hope I can do just that, inspire you all. In every PKS that I conduct, real estate is the best profession or job one can have. Here, you've got to be your own boss. Now, the clock, it is the most easiest job, but the most rewarding one. What with all the perks and the cash incentives and the travel incentives here and abroad in an all expenses paid for trip, and most especially, the unlimited income you can have. Ikaw lang ang pwede magdikta kung how much you really want to earn sa ini nga bulan or sa ini nga tuig. If you want more, all you've got to do is work for more. But you also have to remember this. As real estate brokers or sellers, you are not just facilitating a transaction with the peso sign in your head. Pero may ko ginahambal sa inyo na hindi lang kita magdali, nga mag-reserve sila, kay excited kita sa aton adcom, kundi nga permigid pa nung dumonta, kag siguraduhon nga mag-qualify sila, kay kung hindi, we all know that the money nga gin-reserve nila will be forfeited, gone. And we all know that amuman lang na siya nga amount, pero hindi man na nila mapulot sa dalan. You know, it is our social responsibility na magpanumduman, hindi lang kay para lang maka-income kita. When you transact with a client, please bear in mind that you are there to help them turn their dreams into reality. Every client you meet carries a unique story and vision for their family's future. Build a relationship with every client. Build trust. Remember, a satisfied client will always go back to you, either to buy more for investment or to refer you to another buyer. Know your craft. Master it. Nothing is more embarrassing than when you can't respond to the client's queries. Doon mo ginagakatabo permi, no? Bilang na siya ka square meters, wait lang. Diba? Mga simple nga mga bagay, hindi ta masapat, no? Again, it is not just about getting a commission, pero kinanglan kabalogin kita kung ano ato ginabaligya, no? Worst is, wala ka kabalo kung di na-address ang project. So, please know your craft. And again, I will remind you this, pero may kunig ginahambal, don't stop prospecting. Ano gani ginaliwat-liwat ko sa muna sa inyo? Every person you meet is a
blessing.
Prospect. Very good. That's the malipag. Shout to the whole world that you are into real estate. Flood your social media with all the posts that you can think of. Again, I say nothing is more frustrating and hurting than to know that your cousin or your BFF bought a unit from another seller. So naan mo siya, pudag-pudag ka pa,